In this lesson, let's learn about the law of exponents. 指数法則. Let's learn about the exponential law by calculating parentheses a squared, parentheses power of 3. Parentheses a squared, parentheses power of 3 becomes parentheses aa, parentheses power of 3, and then parentheses aa, parentheses, parentheses aa, parentheses, parentheses aa, parentheses, parentheses aa, parentheses. If you remove all the parentheses, it becomes aaa, which can also be written as a to the power of 6. From this, the law of exponents, we get parentheses a to the power of n, parentheses power of n equals a to the power of mn. Now let's calculate parentheses a squared, parentheses power of 3, again using the exponential rule. The first step is to multiply the exponent in parentheses by the exponent outside of parentheses. The exponents of parentheses a squared, parentheses power of 3 are 2 and 3, so 2 times 3 equals 6. Finally, write the multiplied number as an exponent. Doing that, parentheses a squared, parentheses power of 3 becomes a to the power of 6. Now let's do some practice. Press the pause button and try to solve the practice problem. Once you are finished, press the resume button and mark what you got correct. Now let's check our answers. For number 1, parentheses a to the power of 4, parentheses power of 2 becomes a to the power of 8. For number 2, parentheses a power of negative 2, parentheses power of 3 becomes a to the power of negative 6. And for number 3, parentheses a to the power of 5, parentheses power of negative 3 becomes a power of negative 15. Were you able to answer all 3 questions correctly? That concludes this lesson.